Today we're going to be looking at how to change something many car owners neglect, and that's a cabin filter on an Audi A4. All you need is the cabin filter, some gloves if you don't want to get your hands full of dust, and 10 minutes. You don't need any tools. The filter is located on the passenger side underneath the cabrio. Don't try to pull it, just clip it out. When putting the new filter in, make sure you're putting it in at an angle, otherwise you might struggle.